The Bay Islands consist of 8 islands and 53 small keys, lying 10 to 40 miles off the northern coast of Honduras. These islands have been part of the country since 1872. Located on the Caribbean Sea, the total island population is estimated to be around 70,000 people. We checked into the country of Honduras on the island of Utila. It is third in size of all the Bay Islands and characterized by low mangrove swamps and a few small low hills. The main town sits on the water and dozens of scuba diving schools line the bay. Utila is most famous for having the cheapest dive schools in the world, and many young divers flock to the island to get certified. The animal life and reefs are decent for Caribbean diving, but after a week of constant rain, we were ready to move on to Roatan. We've been in Utila for a week and we're gonna take off for West End Roatan this morning. It's a calm morning. It's probably the best we're gonna get to get over there. So really important is visual navigation in Honduras. The charts are really bad here. So I am up front, Brown's at the helm, and our friends Heidi and Jurgen are behind us. We started our exploration of Roatan in West End, a mile-long village located on the northwest corner of Roatan. Aside from cruise ship visitors, it exists like Utila to serve scuba divers. This is the cute little town of West End, and our favorite place to eat is right here, Sandy Buns, the best food in the West End.
Oh man. So I'm getting emotional. Yeah.
Designated a national park, the reef system is well protected and maintained. Every dive site has a mooring ball for boats to tie to, rather than dropping anchors and destroying the coral. Despite a lot of divers in the water, the reef is in great shape and has incredible diversity in both flora and fauna. Cruisers are also well cared for, with a maintained mooring field inside the reef with a short swim or dinghy ride to 80 different dive sites. This is our first dive off the back of the boat. We're very excited. And the mooring prices are quite reasonable. In town, the Mari store can refill 4 scuba tanks in 6 minutes, and it only costs $16. They are a full-service shop to fix or replace any of your gear. The rule is you have to hit the tree. Hit the tree or lose a point.
-1. So cruel.
While most of our days were spent on the reefs, we also enjoyed doing things on shore. But quickly, we were back in the water again, spending time with the critters and taking advantage of the cheapest tank fills we have ever found. It was clear from the behavior of the wildlife that the reefs are well protected and the animals have no fear of divers. We enjoyed numerous close encounters, but one of our favorite was playing with 2 octopuses during the night dive, and one of them curiously checking out my hand with all 8 of his. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week when we head east on the island of Roatan.